When we talk about freshness, for Mika, it's intact. Inakaa hivi, a very sleek, compact and design iko top notch. It's a double door fridge, 138 liters. Inakaa hivi. Inakuja na 2 years of warranty. It has a 1-star energy rating and an energy consumption of 303 kilowatts per hour per year. Inamaanisha nini? Wewe na watu wa Kenya Power hamtawahi kosana, not even for a day. It has a high voltage tolerance. Inakuja na cool pack, has an eco-friendly gas, has a twist ice tray cube, and ikona tempered glass shells on the inside. No sisahau pia inakuja na lock and key. Tulisema usikubali kuacha fridge yako kwa open, lock it. And on the inside, this is where we have the freezer compartment and the fridge compartment. On the freezer part ndo hii cool pack iko hapa. Nakaa hivyo. Hapa unaweza kuwa unaweka kanyama kako, kambuzi. Ukipika cereals unazi divide into portions, unazipack hapa. Anytime you want to cook, you just come and pick a pack. Inakuja na this storage box here. You can store anything you want or anything of your choice hapa. For the fridge part, iko na these glass tempered shells that are adjustable. You can choose to let them stay here or you can move them to either here, here or here. Iko na this regulator knob here where you can control the temperature of the fridge. Pia iko na hii compartment hapa. Hapa unaweza weka nyanya zako, matunda, greens, groceries. Hizo vitu zote unazipack na unazirudisha hapo like that. And then kwa mlango iko na hizi pia compartments. Unaweza kuwa una store sauces zako, maziwa. You can place your eggs here. Anything you wish, you can place it there. And imagine, in all that, hii fridge nakupea na 33,000 Kenyan shillings only. Peke yake guys. Na nakuongeza hii fridge guard for free. Make sure you shop this fridge on our website. You go by www.atenzahomeappliances.co.ke. Ama you can visit our physical store to located the former Nakumatt Lifestyle, which is currently Neva's Lifestyle, Mezzanine 1, shop number 2.